Hello children, in this video we will play a game of flowers name. I will show you the picture of a flower and you guess what is the name of this flower. Are you ready? Let's start the game. All the best children. What is the name of this flower? Santa is going to deliver gift. Rose. This flower is rose flower. Very good children. R-O-S-E. Rose. Children, do you know what is the name of this flower? Lotus. This flower is lotus flower. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Very good. What is the name of this yellow flower? Very good. This is sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. Sunflower. Good job, children. What is the name of this white flower? Very good. This flower is daisy. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. What is the name of this flower? Do you know, children? This flower is Marigold. Correct. M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D. Marigold. Next is, do you know what is the name of this flower? Lily. This flower is lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. The next flower is here. Children, do you know what is the name of this flower? Yes, this is Dahlia flower. D-A-H-L-I-A. Dahlia flower. Next flower is here. What is the name of this flower? This is daffodil flower. Correct answer. D-A-F-F-O-D-I-L. Daffodil. This yellow flower is daffodil. The next flower is here. Children, do you know what is the name of this red flower? Yes, this is hibiscus flower. Hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S. Hibiscus flower. The next flower is here. Do you know, children, what is the name of this purple flower? This is lavender flower. This is lavender. 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 Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you children. Bye bye.
Good.